Hey guys, we got this remote control monster truck for boys or girls, like depends on what they like to test and try. So waterproof 4x4, all terrain, four-wheel drive, off-road, RC car. So it can be given as a gift to both boys and girls. So let's open this and see. First impression is a really good big size monster truck. It's a waterproof swimmer, double side surfing as well. This also has this remote control and the accessory kit here. So this have this large anti-slip tires and also like this accessory kit with the battery, screwdriver and charger. So let's put in the battery. You can charge this battery with the supplied USB cable, and then you have to just put it inside. So I just put in the battery, this just tight the screw. So you can see the anti-skid tires, really good look monster truck here. This can be rotate, 360 rotation for this one and can be used on any terrain. So let's put in the batteries in the remote. So this car is a 2.4 gigahertz remote control one with a shock absorption, four-wheel drive, and then just put in these two batteries, AA, but these are not supplied with this product. So you have to get your own batteries. Just start this started, and then you can see like it start moving. So the tires are moving really nice and good flow, the good control. So overall, it's a really good monster truck, and it's good for the kids to play with. So you can see like it's fast, and it's also have a like this rotating function. But this is fast, like so it can be taken anywhere you want, on some heights, on the stuff and things. So have fun with the kids with this monster truck, and hopefully you and your kids will like this. But it's a really good size monster truck and very nice one.